Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these pretty long stilettos. And so I already prepped my nails because this video is showcasing my own acrylic powders. Yes honey, these are the Vixen Nail Lounge acrylic powders. And the color that I am using today is Cover Pink. And so this acrylic powder can be found on my website, which is vixennaillounge.com. And so I will be posting all of the links at the bottom, of course. And so I am taking orders via DM and on my website as well. So if you guys are interested in the acrylic powders, I have 6 colors. I have the Cover Pink, which I am showing here in the video. And then I have Ebony. Ebony is more of a brown tone. Then I have Milky Pink. I also have Cover Nude. That is one of my favorites. Cover Beige. And then I have Clear. So right now I am starting off with 6 basic colors. So if you guys are interested in my acrylic powders, you guys can definitely place an order. And I will be placing the link in the description. But yes, honey, I love my acrylic powders, okay? So with this acrylic powder, as you guys can see, it is beginner friendly, honey. That was just one bead right there. Like smooth, nice, and you guys can control the bead. I don't want to sound like a salesperson or whatever, but honey, just look at the application. It just speaks for itself, okay? Just look smooth like butter. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am using my favorite brush, and this is a size 22 brush because my nails are long. I love doing the extendos on my own hands, and yes, I can wipe. I can do everything with them, so don't worry about that. But yes, I love my brush, okay? This brush, I had this brush rocking with me for years. But if you guys want to give me a new brush, honey, y'all could hit the Amazon link down below, okay? Hit up my wish list and get me something nice, you know? Give me a little gift or something. Thank you. I appreciate it. But yes, I am using my size 22 brush. And so with the size 22 brush, again, I always state this in my videos. I love using a bigger brush when I'm doing extendo nails. I don't even call these 3XXL nails. I just call them extendos, like, because they are just super long. And so with the size 22 brush, you don't really have to do too many beads. You can use 3, 4, 5 beads for your application. You shouldn't be using 10, 12 beads on your application for extendos. You're gonna be there for hours, I'm telling y'all. So yeah, as you guys can see, I am using Young Nails primer. I do have my own primer, but I haven't launched it yet. So I'm thinking about it because I'm still in the works with the vendor. But yeah, with that, I am using Young Nails. And with my acrylic powders too, they are how can I say, universal. They are very universal with different type of monomers. And right now I am using the Young Nails monomer because I am such a huge fan of Young Nails. That's one of the companies that I swear by. I just wanted to launch my own acrylic powders for certain colors, but Young Nails, I really swear by them. And so I noticed that my acrylic powder is compatible with the Young Nails monomer. So I would recommend using the Young Nails monomer with my acrylic powder. And if you notice, when I say that my acrylic powder is beginner friendly, if you notice that little mishap that I just did right there and it did not drip everywhere, that's why I always say control your bead. If you looked at my last video, I say control, control, control. That is one of my favorite words when I'm working with acrylics because you have to control the beads. And with my acrylic powder, it gives you a little time to control it. It's not really a fast setting because if you notice that I have not been draining my brush. Usually when I pick up my beads, for instance, when I use Young Nails acrylic powder, I drain my beads sometimes. Like you notice right there, I drained it. So you can either drain it or not drain it. And so with this you can control it. Okay, so right now we're going to add the primer. Once you add your primer, usually right now I actually have this new way of doing nails that I've noticed that retains my nails a bit longer. I use acetone as a dehydrator. Now hold up now, don't get me wrong, you feel me? I know some of y'all nail techs like, what? Acetone? Just get nail prep? No. Y'all, it's basically the same thing because the acetone, it technically dries out and removes the oil. And I've noticed when I've been using that and then I put the primer, my nails have been lasting a bit longer. And my client's nails, child, I had one of my clients, she bumped her nails on the toilet or whatever, and her nails did not come off. That thing did not move. So, I don't know. Y'all tell me, one of y'all out there, y'all try it and leave a comment for me and tell me if y'all like that little tip or whatever. You know, using the acetone as a nail prep and then using your primer and then applying the acrylic. Let me know if it lasts longer. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. But if you guys disagree or agree, you know, leave a comment. I want to know what your thoughts are on that. But yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. And yeah, my nails have been lasting way longer. So I would recommend using that. But if you guys, you know, use nail prep, stick to what you know. I'm not telling y'all to change your technique. Every nail tech has their own technique. But that is one of the things that I've been doing lately. And I kind of like it.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
And so with this set, I did encapsulate it with clear because I wanted to showcase all of my products. Well, not all of it because I don't have the complete system as of yet. But I want you guys to see my little baby that I birthed, you know, the Vixen Nail Lounge nail powders. Like, y'all, I'm so happy about this product. Like, it's mine, you know. When you have your own product, like you have bakers that have their own cookies and cakes. You have like hairstylists, they have their own you know, their own wig lines, their own edge controls and stuff like that. Everybody have their own stuff going on. It's like, dang, Max, you got your own acrylic powder, honey? Something that's related to your niche. I just love it. So yeah, you guys, support your girl. Get a bottle. I'm saying a bottle. Get a jar. But yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do something very special for you guys, especially for YouTube, my subscribers. I'm gonna do like a special link for you guys, like a special code. So I'm definitely gonna put it at the bottom. Some type of sale, like buy two get one free, or you know, like something like that. I'm definitely gonna have something for you guys. So I'm gonna put that in the link so you guys can have the codes or whatever. And I'm definitely gonna put the code at the bottom as well, so you guys can have something, you know. And I'm always gonna put a gift in every order. Every order that I have now, I put a gift. Even with my clients, I offer nail care kits when my clients come get their nails done, because I'm just a giver. I just love giving. I don't know. Even though when I be saying, oh, Max, you don't know how to say no, this and that, I still end up being a giver. I don't know why. But yeah, so with my clients, I love to give them their nail care kits. So in the nail care kit, you guys should do it too. Like, it's something that it brings them back as well. With my nail care kits, I add nail scrub. Not nail scrub, I'm tripping. It's a sugar scrub. I add sugar scrub, and then some shea butter lotion, and then some cuticle oil pins in the bag. And it's like a cute little pink bag. I do have a video on how I make my nail care kits, so you guys go check that video out, and I will be putting that video at the bottom so you guys can see the type of nail care kits that I give my clients. Or if you guys are a potential client, you know, that is the nail care kit that I give y'all. And so I would recommend doing that for your clients so they can come back, or not even so they can come back. It's just something for them to have to take care of their hands, because taking care of your hands is very important. Like, we use our hands a lot to do everything. So most of the times your hands can be rough. So with the sugar scrub, when you're in the shower, you could just use some sugar scrub, or, you know, when you're washing your hands after some certain stuff. You know, it depends. But yeah, I love giving my clients stuff or whatever. I even have one client I always give her free stuff. But yeah, so now I am going to add the clear. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Y'all know I do not like long videos. So I am going to show you guys the clear acrylic powder from the Vixen Nail Lounge. So yeah, get y'all a jar. Support. And I'm going to say this again, because I know I got some people out here that skipping through the video. But y'all see how beginner friendly this acrylic is. I'm over here just like applying it like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even draining my brush or nothing. I'm just applying it like a beginner would. And it's just applying so sweet. It's just, I can't right now. I can't. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, so I will be creating a special code for my subscribers, because I love y'all, and I want to say thank y'all for being here and watching my videos. And for those who did not skip over, I appreciate y'all. Okay, I really do love y'all. Mwah. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I ain't got nothing else to say, you know. So I am heading out, but thank you guys so much. Subscribe to my channel, because again, I don't like making my videos too long, because I know things could get boring, you feel me? But if you guys are interested in doing any classes, you know, you can just book me. Well, not just book me, but hit me up or whatever. I got y'all. And any potential clients, hit my line up 305-523-9085. Text me, please don't call me, okay? So yeah, so text my phone if you want to book an appointment. I am in Miami Gardens, Florida. I travel from Miami to Fort Lauderdale. $45 fee for now, as of 2023. I don't know where God gonna take me, but honey, I hope it's somewhere, you know, extravagant. But yeah, look at it. Look at that smooth application. Vixen Nail Lounge, honey. Get you a jar. All right. Bye.